Shares of Kraft Foods got a boost after a firm upgraded the stock to conviction buy from neutral, making it TheStreet's move of the day. The packaged foods company had its rating raised by Goldman Sachs this morning and placed on the firm's conviction buy list. The updated note on consumer staples said costs for food makers have been dropping along with commodity prices, oil in particular driving demand for discretionary items. Goldman noted that Kraft is one company that benefits most from the reduced cost. Also, it added that Kraft has some of the strongest pricing power among companies in the industry. Goldman has a $73 price target on shares and believes accelerating U.S. growth and a strengthening dollar should help offset deflationary pressures and other problems such as in Europe for consumer staples as a whole. Take a look at the 5-day chart. Shares of Kraft Foods Group closed up 4.66% to $65.69 on nearly triple its average trading volume. Check back on TheStreet.com for Friday's Move of the Day.